Hello everyone, this is Omar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to fix Maytag washer F7E4 error code. And before we dive into the video guys, there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now support to this channel, because we are working really hard to come up with these solutions on our channel. So make sure to support us by tipping. It will be highly appreciated. Alright, so now talking about um, the error code. So basically why this happens. So now the F7E4 is basically a shifter type of machine, and you're going to be cycling the power in order to restore its settings, so that should work. Now if the power cord is accessible, try resetting the machine by unplugging and replugging the power cord to the wall outlet and restart the cycle. If the problem persists, you can call for service. So ensure that if still the issue is being persistent after you just go through the process of recycling the resetting the machine, there could be some more technical issue to that. So for that, it is highly recommended that you immediately contact your support team in order to get a much professional guide. So you have online support as well, so you can schedule a service online in United States using this particular link. Let me show you as well. So here, as you can see, the Maytag official service contact. um, Here, as you can see, that you have different emails and phone numbers as well that you can contact. And yeah, so make sure that you actually contact them. So yeah, I hope this helped and answered your questions. Also, make sure to head over to the link in the description to donate to our channel, as it is going to be highly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.